If you're trying to access Cpanel and Hostinger, there's one important thing you need to know right away. Hostinger does not use Cpanel. Instead, Hostinger uses its own custom control panel called HPanel. So in this video, I'll show you the correct way to get into your Hostinger dashboard and manage your hosting account quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and log into your Hostinger account. Go to the Hostinger website, click the Login option, and enter the email and password linked to your hosting plan. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your main Hostinger account area. Now look for the section called Websites. This is where Hostinger lists all the websites connected to your account. If you have more than one site, you'll see each one displayed here, which makes it easy to choose the correct project. Next, find the website you want to manage and click the Dashboard button next to it. This is the key step because this is what takes you into HPanel, not Cpanel. Once you click Dashboard, Hostinger will open the control panel for that specific website. After that, you'll land on the HPanel dashboard. From here, you can manage your hosting settings, files, domains, email accounts, WordPress tools, backups, performance options, and much more. If you were expecting the traditional Cpanel layout, this is where Hostinger looks different. The interface is cleaner, simpler, and built around Hostinger's own system. If your goal was to find Cpanel specifically, there is no separate Cpanel login inside Hostinger hosting accounts because Hostinger does not provide it on standard plans. So instead of searching for Cpanel, just use HPanel from your account dashboard. That is the correct place to control everything related to your hosting. If you ever need to return later, just log in again, go back to Websites, and click Dashboard for the site you want. That will always bring you back to the same HPanel area. So to recap, log in to Hostinger, open Websites, click Dashboard next to your site, and you'll be inside HPanel. That's the Hostinger version of the control panel, and it's where you'll manage your hosting account from here on out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.